wellness, it's the next big frontier in India's healthcare story, and a sizable chunk of the private equity money pouring into the healthcare space is finding its way to this niche as well. CNBC-TV18's Rachna Dhanrajani reports that the flood of investments is giving India's traditional healing systems a modern makeover. Take a look.
Private equity is reshaping India's healthcare sector, and not just in terms of ownership. The billions flowing into the sector are now expanding the scope of it beyond hospitals, treatment and diagnostics, because wellness is a key emerging focus and a big theme. And this one goes beyond metros.
The money has followed the trend. What started as an investment into primary healthcare and pharmaceuticals has expanded into specialty clinics, diagnostics, secondary care centers, and even traditional therapies. Now, as the sector evolves from curing to caring, there's an entirely new frontier at play: lifestyle, prevention, and holistic health. Entrepreneur Faisal Kotikalan, who built Calicut's Maitra Hospital, is one of the few people with a front row seat to this transition. But he's not just a spectator. He has recently expanded into wellness with his latest venture, Tula, and says private equity money has been a great enabler in this expansion.
When I started it, I knew this model has to go, not just remain in Calicut, should go throughout the country. So I didn't want to really invest hundreds of millions of dollars, to build this model into other cities. And that is where, I always appreciate the foreign money coming in or within India itself into healthcare sector. Because India, as a per capita, we have the least number of beds for the population, correct? So India needs hundreds of hospitals.
Private equity deals in healthcare have surged 60% over the past 2 years. The draw: scalable models that combine profitability with purpose. But in the field of healthcare and wellness, a flashy product is not enough. Effectiveness is key, and Faisal says traditional Indian medicine has it all.
Tula, if you really see, 2022, I put a team together to see that how we can move from illness to wellness. It's a $7 trillion market opportunity globally now. It's growing at a rapid pace, but wellness is still a nascent stage, correct? People are confused with wellness word itself. There are a lot of resorts, retreats, all in the superficial stage. What we are doing is very deep wellness. It's called clinical wellness. Everything is evidence-based.
From treating illnesses to promoting wellness, this wave modernizes Ayurveda, yoga, and other such traditional Indian practices that are yet to be backed by hard evidence. But for now, they provide for a great experience. However, this cusp of modernization with Ayurveda comes at a very high premium. So will it just be a playground for investors, or will it actually take to the masses, is something that we will be watching out for. In Calicut, I'm Rachna Dhanrajani.
Now let's go